Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of English with Adam. I am your host, Adam. I am very happy you are here with us today. Today, we have a very interesting topic. It is something we all do every single day. We are talking about morning routines. What do you do when you wake up? Do you jump out of bed, or do you stay in bed for 20 minutes? To help me talk about this, I have a special guest. Please welcome my friend, Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Adam. Hello, everyone. Thanks for having me. I am excited to be here.
Sarah, I have a big question for you to start. Are you a morning person?
Oh, definitely. I love the morning. I think it is the best part of the day. The world is quiet, and I have a lot of energy. What about you, Adam? Are you a morning person?
To be honest, no, not really. I'm a night owl. That means I like the night better. In the morning, I am usually very tired. I move very slowly.
That is funny. We are very different. So, Adam, tell us, what time does your alarm clock ring?
My alarm rings at 7:30 a.m., but I have a bad habit. I usually hit the snooze button. I sleep for 10 more minutes, then the alarm rings again at 7:40 a.m., then I finally get up.
Oh, the snooze button. That is dangerous. If I hit snooze, I might sleep until noon.
Exactly. It is dangerous. So, Sarah, walk us through your routine. You wake up early, right?
Yes, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day, even on weekends.
Wow, 6 a.m. That is very early. What is the first thing you do? Do you check your phone?
No, never. I try not to look at my phone in the morning. First, I go to the kitchen and I drink a big glass of water. I am always thirsty in the morning. After that, I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up.
That sounds very healthy. I'm the opposite. The first thing I do is look at my phone. I check my emails and the news. It's a bad habit, I know. After that, I go to the kitchen, but not for water. I need coffee. Coffee is the most important part of my morning.
I like coffee too, but I drink it later. So after you have your coffee, what do you do next?
After coffee, I feel human again. Then I take a shower. I like a hot shower. It helps me relax before work. Then I get dressed. Since I work from home often, I usually wear comfortable clothes like a t-shirt and jeans. What about you, Sarah? Do you exercise?
Yes, I do. After I wash my face, I put on my running shoes. I go for a run in the park near my house. I run for about 30 minutes. When I come back, I feel great. Then I take a shower and get dressed for work.
Running? In the morning? You are very brave, Sarah. I cannot run in the morning. My legs are too tired. Do you eat breakfast?
Of course, breakfast is my favorite meal. I usually eat oatmeal with some fruit, like a banana or an apple. Sometimes I eat eggs if I am very hungry. What do you eat, Adam?
I usually skip breakfast, or I just eat something small, like a piece of toast. I'm usually in a rush.
In a rush. That is not good, Adam. You need energy for the day.
I know. You're right. I try to be better, but sometimes I spend too much time looking for my keys or my wallet. I'm not very organized in the morning.
Maybe you should prepare at night. I always put my clothes on a chair the night before, and I put my keys on the table near the door. That way, my morning is simple.
That is excellent advice. Preparation is key. Sarah, does your routine change on the weekend, on Saturday and Sunday?
A little bit. On Saturday, I still wake up early, maybe 7 a.m., but I don't run. Instead, I read a book and drink tea. I take my time. I cook a big breakfast for my family, maybe pancakes. It is very nice.
That sounds lovely. On Saturdays, I sleep until 10 a.m. That is my favorite part of the week. Sleeping late feels like a luxury.
It is good to rest. Everyone is different. Some people need more sleep, and some people need less. The important thing is to have a routine that works for you.
I agree. A good routine can make your whole day better. If I have a good morning, I usually have a good day at work. If I have a bad morning or if I'm late, I feel stressed all day.
Exactly. Starting the day calmly is very important.
Okay, listeners, before we finish, let's look at some important words we used today. It is time for our vocabulary spotlight. Today we have 3 words for you. The first word is alarm, A-L-A-R-M. An alarm is a sound that wakes you up. Usually your phone makes this sound, or you have a special clock called an alarm clock. Example, I set my alarm for 7 a.m. so I am not late.
The second word is habit, H-A-B-I-T. A habit is something you do often or every day. You do it without thinking. It can be a good habit or a bad habit. Example, brushing your teeth in the morning is a good habit.
And the third word is rush, R-U-S-H. To rush means to hurry. You move very fast because you don't have enough time. If you rush, you might forget things. Example, I was late for work, so I had to rush out the door. Thank you, Sarah. Those are great words for our listeners to practice.
You're welcome, Adam. I hope everyone tries to use these words this week.
Sarah, thank you so much for joining us today. It was fun to hear about your healthy morning. You inspire me to stop hitting the snooze button.
You can do it, Adam. Just put your alarm clock on the other side of the room. Then you must stand up to turn it off.
That is a very smart trick. I will try it tomorrow. And thank you to our listeners for listening to English with Adam. Now, I have a question for you. Are you a morning person or a night owl? What is one thing you do every morning? Please write your answer in the comments below. We love reading your stories.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful morning.
See you next time. Bye.